Are you looking for the best phone mount for your Tesla? If so, stick around. All right, welcome back to Norman Tesla. Today, I have one of my favorite products. This is the Jowua 6D Invisible Foldaway Car Mount. I've had this one before, but this is a new version, so I'm gonna test it out. So let's get right into it and open this guy up. So the reason they call it 6D is because it basically has 6 degrees of movement, which makes me think of 6 degrees Kevin Bacon. So if we were to play 6 degrees Kevin Bacon with that, we would do, Kevin Bacon was in Leave the World Behind, which obviously had that famous Tesla scene. Tesla is associated with Jowua, so there you go. We have Kevin Bacon separated by 1 degree or 2 degrees, I don't know how you count that, to Jowua. So there you go. So if I open this up, so this is like there you go. So we have 1 degree, we have 2 degrees, and then we have a whole bunch of degrees over here. Pretty much it. So basically it's 225 degrees foldable from here, and then 270 degrees foldable from here, and then a whole whack of degrees from here. So you can basically customize it or have it in the position that you want. And then it's also 120 rotation washable suction cup. And then you also have a charging option. So over here, you have the USB-C, and we're gonna run the cable down through the center console to the back and plug that in. So basically you're gonna have a charging option for your phone that's hidden away. And the best part is that when you don't want it, you just fold it away and it's out of sight, out of mind. So the difference between this version and the old one is this one has QI2 fast charging and wireless charging. So it is somewhat significantly faster than the old version. So if you want to upgrade, I'll let you know what the difference is because I do have the old version still. So let's go ahead and install it. It's a pretty simple install, basically a suction cup. So how easy is that? And then, like I said, just run the wire through. It takes 5 minutes. So let's do that right now. Before I do though, please take a second and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. You get better content, better accessory reviews, all kinds of good stuff. So subscribe, do it now. So what you want to do is kind of start off with it folded and kind of line up where you want, so that where you can't see it anymore. Basically is the best thing to do. And don't worry too much about the install because it is just Velcro. So there is a bit of sticky thing just to add a bit of grip. But other than that, it's pretty foolproof. So I want it at an angle. So I'm just gonna put it like this. So right now I'm not seeing it. So I'm just gonna stick it on there. So that's it. So then I can just unfold it and it's exactly where I want it. You can then take this clip and just run it along the panel or this little area here and then into there. And then from there, we're going to go below here. And then we're going to do a little turn. So just down here and go underneath here like so. It comes behind and put it in. So one of my favorite things about this phone mount is that basically when you're not using it, it's out of sight. All you have to do is tilt it up and there it is. Now my other favorite thing is that it's totally customizable. So you can tilt it over here like so. Basically you put your phone wherever you want. This little arm here also retracts back and forth. So you put it there. And then this little guy rotates as well as 360 degrees. The other awesome part is that it's MagSafe. So all you have to do is put your phone up there and it's going to charge. And this new version is QI2, so it's going to be 15-watt fast charging. All right, as far as Tesla phone mounts go, the Jowua 6D Invisible Foldaway phone mount is definitely one of my favorites. I love that it has a suction cup mount, so you can put it on the back of your screen, and if you need to take it off at some point, you just take it off. It's pretty easy. As well as the maneuverability of it, which is amazing because you can rotate it like that and forward and back, and then you can do the mount, whichever position you want your phone in, you will be able to do it. And the other best part about that is it folds away, so you're not going to see it when you're not using it, which is really good for me because I don't use the phone mount all that often. So when I'm not using it, I love having it fold away, so you have the nice clean look from your Tesla. So definitely a must-have. And the upgrade is if you have an old one, it's 15-watt fast charging. So they only sell the new one. So if you're looking for a phone mount, that's all you're going to get is the 15-watt. But if you have the old one and you're considering upgrading and you need a faster charge, it's 15-watt fast charging. I wasn't able to do I was trying to do a precise test of exactly how much faster it was, but I couldn't really, there's no apps that really track that. So I wasn't able to. So it is probably about double the speed of the old one, because I think the old one was about 7.5 watts. So if you're concerned about fast charging, then you can upgrade to this one. So a lot of people ask me the difference between the MagBack and the Jowua one, because I have reviewed both and I do really like both of them. I would say the MagBack one is nice because it's stationary. So if you are the type of person who wants their phone mount all the time, then get the MagBack one. But if you want to be able to move it around and hide it as well, then get the Jowua one. All right, if you want to get yourself one of these, head over to jowua-life.com. I will have the link in the description below, and use promo code NortonTesla for 5% off. So that's big savings, 5% off the entire site. So yeah, head over there. If you like this video, found it helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week or so. Tons of awesome Tesla content, accessory reviews, how-tos, tips and tricks, Tesla 101. So definitely all kinds of videos to really help you get the most out of your Tesla. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric. We're going to turn the Bluetooth off because fuck them. Around, you could customize it. So a lot of people ask me the difference between the MagBack and the Jowua one, because I have reviewed both and I do both. So a lot of people ask me the difference between the MagBack and the Jowua phone mount, because I have reviewed both and I both really enjoy. Kevin Bacon. So Kevin Bacon was in that movie. What's it called? Sakes. Left Behind. The World Left Behind. So as you can see, so as far as Tesla phone mounts go, the Jowua 6D foldable. So as far as Tesla phone mounts go, as far as the just non-stop f***ery.